So we are back at it, and we're just working on the short decrease. This should not be something that, honestly, it should be done in like 2 seconds. So here we have the percentage change. So I have our account state average entry minus our order price divided by this. So that makes sense. And if we go down, then our percent change is going to be positive. If we go up, our percent change is going to be negative. A new position, no math changes here because this is just about decreasing the position size. Then here we have next, we have to do this calculate profit and loss, but we've already done that like multiple times. Yeah, so we have this here. So we'll just, well, I mean, I could just copy this. Throw it down here. And so the only thing that changes is this. That's the only thing that changes is this. So average entry minus order price. So that's our P&L. The fee to open is the same. Fee to close is the same. Fees paid is the same. P&L. Realized P&L is P&L minus fees paid. Okay, and then the rest of this stuff here has to do with cash borrowed, cash used, available balance. That's all the same. And then the rest of this is the same too. I guess technically that means that this should work. So I'll get this set up. All right, so we have got this. We've got the data downloaded. We've got our entries. I was looking here and I did my entries like based on this. We've got some shorting here, shorting here, shorting here, shorting here, shorting all the way up to here, shorting down. Actually, let's do like 25, 24. So we'll do a bunch of these just to test to see if it's going to work. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. We'll see what happens. I think in my log, I want to put this. Why would the order ID be any different than the log ID? I don't know. Anyways, I think so here, I think what I want to do is I also want to put realized EL, and then I also want to put here order type. This will let us know whether it's an entry, an exit, order type. Oh no, order type is already there. Okay. Realize P&L, realize P&L. So that means we need to go over to here. Put this, I guess, here. Is that where I had it? Yeah. And then this. Holy shit, it's cold. Oh, hmm. So yeah, figured out how to print these as OHLC candles, open, high, low, close candlesticks. Change this to empty. Change this one to empty. Does this even work if I do empty? It is so cold, my fingers are gonna fall off. Whoa, I didn't even do a max risk here. Max equity risk percent. Max equity risk percent. 5%. So we'll do 2% risk. I'll say this is 6%. This is true. Stop loss is gonna be okay, whatever. Risk percent of account long entry. Wait, what? Short entry. What the hell does this thing even do? Oh. Okay. Short stop loss, take profit, trailing stop loss, liquidation. Okay. So I guess this should work, right? Execute or live mode is nan, or something is wrong with choosing long. Execute. And anyways, we'll figure this out. Well, I had this commented out, so that's probably why there was an error. All right, so here it's showing us our fees paid, order type, leverage, stop loss. Where's my average entry? So I guess I need to have here uh so we'll have average entry. Then after that we'll have our take profit. Then after that we'll have our stop loss price and our liquidation price. So average entry and take profit price. Where the hell is my enums? It's on the other screen. So here we have order type leverage, TP price, and then what else did we say? We said average entry. Alright, so let's try this again. Figure out what's going on here. Wait, what? So if we are using more than so we got stopped out, then we bought, and when we are, it looks like when we are, looks like our max equity is not sending the right information. Wait, what? I guess that's here. What? What is happening here? Order not filled. Order result. Huh? Order take profit prices. Wait, what? So, with all of this, I guess I need to do this at the very end. The order has no. That's not good. Hmm. That's really not good at all. Because I would have to wait all the way till we get to here, then do this check. Then after that check is done, if it's no, 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 no. What? I think I need to actually check this first. Order not filled. But I still need to send over. Why does my order have no stop loss or take profit or any of that other stuff? Oh, that's because it needs to get updated, possibly. Oh boy. I think this actually needs to be in the. Oh no. I think that actually needs to be all the way down here. Well, no, that's not true because I need the previous stop loss. I need the previous stop loss. Order result. But this is the order. And I need an order result. Oh boy. Well, also the problem is I need to send the information of the order that got rejected, but I also need to send the take profit and stop loss and all of this other stuff of the previous order. So I need to send all the order information, but then I also need the order information of the previous. And how the hell do I get that? How do I get that? How do I get that? There's no way to get that information. Unless, oh boy. I guess what I would have to do is take the order and I would have to wait, what? The account risk is 6329 and this is 6395. Oh, 6329. Okay. Uh So with the order, I think what I'll have to do is order not filled. I'm gonna have to do well, that this right here means that there's a stop loss. And so if there is a stop loss price, I would have to get the average entry. I'd have to get the average entry, get the stop loss percent. And then do this to create the stop loss price. And then if there's a risk to reward, I guess I'd have to do this. I would basically have to do all of this inside of. I'd have to do all of that inside of this. So I think all of this stuff needs to be the same. Because this is the order that I submitted. And then here I need to do all those calculations for stop loss, prices, and all of this other stuff. Which is not ideal. But I have no choice. So I have to do this. Bring this over here. Boy, boy, boy. Oh. then I have to go down here. I'll grab all this information. So stop loss is going to be order dot average entry. Holy Jesus. This does have a stop loss percent, so we'll do this. So all of this makes sense. Size. Order dot size. Change this to order. And if we see size. Wait a minute, what did I just do? Alright, I need to make sure that I'm operating with it all within this. Here. Let me say new. Whoops. So it'll be order dot what? Here we're looking for size. So order dot size. This is just going to be order. Import numpy as, oh, okay. And then I guess down here I have to change this to this, 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 this. I assume that's what should happen, would work. Fill. 637. Wait, what? Got an unexpected keyword order result. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, what did I do? Oh no, what did I do? I completely fucked this up. Shit. I guess for all of this, thank God I didn't mess up too much. This has to be. Oh yeah, I want to add equity to this as well. Yeah. Raise rejected order in B. When am I ever using this thing? If is rejected and order raise. This is just order. This is order everything. And the rest of this. This is order. Replace that just with order. All right, so let's try this again. Hope I didn't fuck up everything. All right, so we finally took profit here. It's interesting that we can only get in twice. Why can we only get in twice? Our possible loss. Our new position is this. Our average entry is this. P&L, no fees. Hmm. Those damn fees, man. So if I say 6%, so what is my equity at right now? What is my equity? 103. Account at risk is this 6%. So we're taking our equity times this divided by 100. I mean, I trust that the math is right. It just sucks that these fees are making it so that I can only get in twice. I still want it. I think I want to round this up to. I think I want to round this up to the dollar amount. The reason why I want to do it to the dollar amount is because let's say that it's the difference between like $100 and $101, or $100 versus, what if my possible loss was like $100.50 and my max equity risk was going to be like $100.40? It's like, who cares about 10 cents when you're talking about $100? So yeah, I think I want to round this up to 0. But if I had a flat thing of like, if I had a thing of $6. Oh, so this also needs to be $6. Okay. So that way it's like if I say $6 and this thing is $6, okay, that makes sense. So we gotta change that over here as well. Let's see, round. So this needs to be 0 and this needs to be 0. What? Can you do like -1? No. Can you, let's see here. If I had 10.8, what is that going to give me? 11? 11? 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. 10.8. I don't want. I actually don't want any rounding because if there's like a one that says that it's 10.6 and the other one is 10.4, then it's gonna round it up to 11. I don't want to do any rounding. Okay, so I think I found the solution. So what I need to do actually is do this as uh so what I need to do is take this answer and turn it into an int, and then after it turns it into an int, it'll turn it into a float. And it'll turn it back over. So that way it gets rid of this point 0.8 and turns it into whatever this is, and then it okay. So we'll do that. Uh so we will just delete this here. We'll delete this. Right? And then can you do this? I think I could just do this. Except wait, what? Yeah. Because this has nothing to do whether you're short or long. So I think this should work. Because yeah, if it's just $1 off, like who cares? What? Ah, there we go. 1, 2, 3. Bam. So we have this is 8.3. This is 6.2, whatever. Then we turn it into a float and an int. I wonder if it's possible to just put that around this. Are you allowed to do this? I guess not. That looks kind of crazy there. Uh, Fuck it, whatever, it's fine. It's fine. All right, so we have bot, we have get in, get in, get in, get in, get in, get in, get in. Don't, you can't get in, get out. So this is, wait, what? Oh, this is take profit here. What is this? This is leverage, huh? I don't want the leverage there. I want the leverage somewhere else. Wait, what? Why is the order ID 1 and this what? Oh, the order ID is 11. Wait, the order ID is 11. Why is that a thing? Wait, what? 30 is actually 11. What? So 11 is this take profit right here. But why is 22653 is 10. 22653. What? Why is this 1? When it's 0. Oh, okay, okay. This needs to be. So I need to do something here that says if I have to do this. If order records is not none and new order count. What? Then that means so here I have to subtract 1. How does he deal with it? Let's check that out. Portfolio. Fill log records in B. Fill log record. Why is this order ID? What? Process. Oh, I know how to deal with this. Wait, what? No, I don't. Oh. So it's doing state OIDX. So for me, that means that I need to do... I need to do this. Okay, that makes sense. I don't need to do any of this. Makes sense. All right. There we go. There we go. There we go. But how does this thing know? Oh. Is filled. Oh, so is filled. So we don't check is filled. We just check to see if it's... Oh, so we fill everything. We do every single attempt at an order. Okay. Nan. Damn, $12 in fees. God damn. How much was... Where's my realized P&L? I made $100. Wait, how am I making $100? Oh, that's my equity. My realized my realized P&L was $12. So this is what is this? This is leverage. Where do I want to put leverage at? I guess I could put leverage in front of size. Leverage in front of size. I wonder if I do this, would it actually... Oh, that doesn't do anything. So it depends on the way you have your enums set up. It depends on how you have this set up. So my leverage should come before the size. And then my fees should probably be next to my realized P&L. Yeah, I think that's the way it'll... So we have our fees paid. We have our, $4.43. Why did it do that instead of just $4? $2, 4. Why is that? How did I get my realized P&L? Oh, that's because I thought I could have sworn to God I added a little bit extra to these take profit prices. I swear to God, I added a little bit. I remember I added a little bit to this. I wonder. Let's see here. Why is that? $2 and oh, this is $4 and like oh, okay. Oh, so this is okay. So this is $2.08. This is $4.08. This is 212. So this isn't 43 cents. This is like less than a. Okay, that makes sense. So is this done enough to where is this done enough to where yeah. I think I want to see my realized P&L on my order records. Oh, order records readable? Read. Isn't there a thing? Read. I swear to God, there's something about readable. Read. Order. Order records. Read. What the hell? Records readable. Order records dot records. How do I get this? Oh man. Records readable. I swore to God I seen this somewhere. Records readable. Records readable. You do this? Records. How do I do this? I swear to God I've seen it somewhere. Records, wrapper, records array. Oh my God, that's why I hate his documentation. So bad. So bad. So unbelievably bad. Here's what I was looking for. Why can't I, when I search this, I don't get it? Oh, that's so annoying. Data frame from orders. So does this mean I need to do dot order dot records readable? All right. Here we go. Apparently, all these sides are by. Huh. Record array. Self.order records. Orders. Wrapper order records. Order records. Record array order records. I mean, I guess, yeah, the side is by. I want it to be buy, take profit, buy, stop loss. If I added I think I could just add in my realized P&L. Wait a minute. Log. Read. Ah, okay, there we go. Order type. Helper. Adding I'm adding realized P&L to my order records. There we go. All right. Right. QF dot order records. We will see. I have my realized P&L here, so. Okay, orders dot readable. So, where's my tutorials? Mm-hmm. Order. PDF dot orders dot readable. This will be long. Like this. Okay. All right. I think let's see what happens if we do this dot plot. Oh. What? These are all buys? What? What? What the hell? Order type is 0. Oh, it's 0 here. Okay, okay. Okay. If the order type is this, then order type is 0 is 1. I am going to have to do maybe that's why those numbers were a little bit off. I have to do order type equals 0. We'll do if how do I do this? Oh! Too much thinking going on right now. If the order type is between... So 5... Wait, what? 4 is... 0. 5 is short entry. Elif. It's 5. And now here we have if it's greater than or equal to 6 or less than or equal to 9. So the order type would be buy, and this would be sell. So if short entry, this is short take profit. Oh, no. The realized P&L is fine. No, it's not accurate. Is it? No, maybe with the... Okay. This is long stops. This is short stops. And this is long entry. So if we enter a long, get me in. If we're exiting the long, our coin size is this divided by our average entry. Order type is this. Fee is fees paid. Wait. Price is always going to be price. Fee is always going to be this. So fee is going to be this. And price is always going to be this. So we don't need this. We don't need this. Don't need it. This. Don't need this. Don't need this. So this is just right. Did I just do that correctly? Or did I fuck everything up? Wait a minute. Let's copy all this just in case. Price equals order result dot price, order result dot price, order result dot price. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. Now let's see what happens here. We entered, we entered, we entered. We gotta stop that. Or we took profit. I swear to God, I don't know where I added that extra little padding. But I added it. I just don't know where. Where did I add that padding? Where did I add that padding? I guess I didn't add the padding. But how is that possible? I mean, I guess it works. Somehow. I don't know what the problem was last time, but... There we go. Sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. Alright, 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 alright. Wow, this is some pretty serious float points here. Um, $30 exactly on the dot. Jesus Christ, are you kidding me? I don't know what I did last time that had it messed up, but I guess it's working. And $13 on the dot lost. I don't know if I'm done or not though. But this is all I can really think of as far as I guess this whole call sequence thing is gonna be a bitch and a half. Yeah, call sequence, I don't know. But I can't think right now. So I think all of this works enough now. Um uh, I think I think it all works well enough now to where I need to start working on the website and get the tutorials and the API stuff together. And then after that, no. I think I need to do the RSI strategy first. Then when I have done the RSI strategy, um, then that way I can, I guess, verify that it works. Then from there, I'll put together the website, and then after the API stuff and all that other stuff is done, then I can put up an RSI tutorial, and then after those are done, then I guess I could just get into. Well, I need to make videos now. And the fastest way to make videos now is to, well, yeah, I guess I have to do both of those. Because in the video, I can say, look, I'm going to test all of the data from Binance on a 5 minute chart of with the RSI strategy. And here's how fast we did it. And here's how easy it is. I just put here and I put this here and I put that here. Yeah. And then I also will tell them about like the tutorial. Yeah, so I just need to do both. The tutorial, which the tutorial shouldn't, the website and the API and stuff, that shouldn't be too difficult. Because I don't really have that much stuff over here. Uh, yeah, I don't need any of this either. Result. Order everything and result everything at the same exact thing. Anyways, so yeah, we'll do the RSI first just to make sure that everything is working. Then we'll do the website. So right now I am trying to figure out how to actually get the website up and running. And I don't know how to do that. I do not know how to do that. So the problem is that I have this documentation, I got this, but I don't know how to do this because we're here. And it's basically saying it's not, so we have all of this, nav getting started. And then it's supposed to build this API thing, I guess. So we have assets, getting started, terms, documentation index, but we don't have API. And here we are supposed to generate the API and then generate nav. So nav equals this nav root docs with nav.yml open w. So there's supposed to be like a nav, but none of that stuff is here. Shit. So I'm looking at this. It says here docs/doc/API do not include that and do not include the site. So now the problem is the only problem is this pdoc to md. I can get this if I just change this to like doc, which doesn't make any sense why I would need to change this to doc. Why would I import my own thing, which doesn't make any sense? And then here, why would I import generate API? If name equals main, then generate API, which is this. pdoc to md. So I'm missing this. So I guess this is the, it says go into this folder, and then inside of here, get icons, get tags, format GitHub link equals user Pollock repo. And so I guess inside of here, if I had access to that, yeah, so I think I could do, yeah. This was a folder that he had edoc to empty. And he just didn't include it. Hmm. So I guess I'm going to have to mkdoc strings. I'm gonna have to figure this out. So I think I have an understanding of what is going on here. So inside of here, because if I look at this, you can see here that you have this languages and then you have this Python, C, Java.
Now I can run this here and you can see we have some file.
And then so this is the file that he ends up getting, which is languages dash Python dash C dash Java. And so if I look at this, that's basically what this is. You have this dash this dash this dash this, and then you get the colon this thing. And so that's what's happening here with this YAML file, YML. And that's, hey, I just realized that that's what this actually is a YML file. And so here we would be creating the same exact type of file. I mean, I guess that makes sense, right? That's exactly what this is, this nav right here. And so that's what we're going to create is this. And so that makes sense. Now I would have to get, so you're sending an empty list and then generate nav from API. So then inside of here, generate API. Generate API. So we're going into the vector.bt folder and we're going to put this inside of docs right here. Root directory equals docs. Generate API. Format GitHub link. So I guess this is where you would do the API slash base slash index.md. And then inside of this is, I guess, how the thing, if we go over to this has like, you know, all this documentation. And so The one thing I'm not too sure about is that, oh, so maybe inside of this thing he has imported um some type of like PDoc. Oh, I think that's what it is. Because there's this PDoc right here. And this allows you to take this right here, this so class is dog, and then you have name string, you have all of this right here. Small dog example, pdoc. So he has this doc stuff everywhere. Um, and so I guess that's what this is. Like this is just index. This is just self. This is columns. That's why you get this like dog shit documentation. So here's some documentation for wrap. Um, so I guess the first thing that I need to do is learn how to use this. How do I use pdoc to get this information? Then once I can learn how to do that, so I guess I first have to learn how to use pdoc. Then I guess once I understand how to use pdoc, I should be able to create this. Oh. But then there's the question of like, do I want to do all of this stuff? I don't know, is it gonna turn out to look like this? Because then there's other people who just have like mk docs to string or something like that, and then it kind of makes something like this automatically. But but the problem is that I think what they're doing, they have to do all this stuff manually. So, hmm. So then there's this mk docs strings. Um, what the fuck is this dumb shit? Anyways, I gotta go, and I guess the next thing I have to do is just I gotta do some research on this mk docs to string thing, because I don't know if that is. I mean, I obviously am gonna have to figure out some way that auto updates things so that way I can do exactly what he does, which is when I'm making a when I'm doing anything inside of here, I just come in and I change this. I come in and I just come into here and I have my little documentation thing like right here. So that way, as time goes on, when I'm making these changes, it will auto update things for me, and I don't have to do anything. So, I mean, I guess no matter how I figure out how to do it, but it would be a million. There is one thing for sure that I'd rather auto generate the navigation. Auto generate automatically generate navigation. Um, so yeah, I guess that's where I need to start is figuring out how do I auto generate the navigation. Anyways. Well, this is going to be useful for me because I'm going to have to understand what needs to be in there and stuff like that as well, and I don't want to have to keep digging into my code to figure this out. So, and then this way I can also change his stuff as well. So, I don't know. I'm about to figure out how to do this. So, I guess, oh man. So on the journey so far, I figured out how to actually build this stuff. Then now I have to figure out how to do this documentation shit. And I don't know, once I figure out how to do that, then I can finally start making YouTube videos. Because this part right now is boring as fuck. This part is so boring. But the good news is that hopefully I will be able to do all of that hopefully I'll be able to figure all this out before the end of next week. The goal is to be able to start promoting this at the end of February. So right now it's promotable. And then after I do the tutorial, after I get all that, then I have to work on Oh, then I have to work on making it broadcastable to making my own like simulator thing where you can send it multiple stop losses, multiple take profits, all of that stuff, and it'll spit out all that information at once. And then Jesus Christ, I don't even want to think about that stuff. So we're messing around with this PDoc thing, and so went to their watching this YouTube video, and it seems like you can just take the gameplay stuff and turn it into whatever it is that you want. So you can take like gameplay.py and you turn it into this. Then I was on this website here and noticed that they had an example for MK docs. So here, this make.py. And so I ran that here, and it just goes through and it grabs a whole bunch of stuff. I don't know exactly how, but I guess it's from this pdoc template. And I guess that is what this overrides is. If page and page meta, whatever, meta property OG title. I'm not 100% sure, but I guess we're kind of getting close. And so here's this thing. So, I guess inside of his docs, you have the generate API.a.py. Then you have the MK docs here. And so I guess the way this works is, yeah, I had this MK docs file from up here. So you have this, and then you have this, and then all you start out with is this right here. And then I guess this thing would come through and make a docs/API like it did over here. So we have a docs, well, he ignored it, right? So docs API. So since we're inside the docs folder, we have this, and I guess we would generate it. In the root directory. So, um, so this thing clearly makes this folder, and then it also turns from HTML to MD. So now I have to figure out how to actually yeah. So I've got this dev branch here. Wait, what? I'm in my dev branch. Anyways, I have no idea what I'm doing. So I feel like I'm kind of close to maybe possibly starting to understand what's going on here. So you have this where is it at? So docs. Then here you have this. This is a directory that contains the source code for the pdoc website. Visit pdoc-dev to see in action. So if we go to make.py, we see this if name, and we also see that here. And then we see this demo equals here, and then you have this environment thing here. Um, and here's this like pdoc doc, and then you have this demo thing, and then you have this output directory here slash docs. So I guess that's probably what root directory is. For this, you have like root directory. Then you have this like icon and tags. And then here you have this like logo thing. You have this other pdot, render dark mode examples, render math examples. Render config. So template directory. Oh, so there's a template. So I feel like I'm close. And then so now from here, if I switch over to the dev branch, and we go to I'm gonna put just the QF in here. Well, first of all, I'm gonna name a folder. I'm gonna create a folder called docs. Well, no, I don't need to do that here. I need to do that in this MK test. So here we will do docs. Then inside of docs, he has shit. Oh no, so outside of docs, he has vector bt. So what we will do here, God damn it. So we will put QF inside of here. Okay. And then inside of this docs, we need to have a MK docs. Well, so let's add a QF. Okay. And then inside the docs, we need a I don't know what we need. Let's see, website. So inside of here we need. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, docs. New. So MK docs. What if I deleted this? I said MK docs new. So now what happens? Creating project directory docs. Where is it? Where is that at? Docs. Okay. So we've done that. So this is looking like what he has. Why is my what is what's going on here? Terminated. Okay. Okay, so we have this. We got this index. Okay. So far we are looking the same exact way as this. Yet. uh, uh, huh. Anyways, I have to figure out a way to get these. I have to figure out a way to get this there. All that. So I need to create a I need to create a make. We'll put it in here. We'll do this. We'll do something like this. Okay. Then from there, from here, I don't know what to do. I guess from here I need to do something that inside of here generates an API. So here docs API, and then from that I take the docs that are in this and somehow skip this py cache and this init.py and then just get these. Okay. So that will be the goal for tomorrow. Because for now, I don't know what the hell I'm doing.